create an account on your Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the account of your Crunchyroll. If you want to create the account of your Crunchyroll, first of all you have to download the app from your Play Store. Once you have already downloaded, you have to go to your app drawer and search for the Crunchyroll here. And you have to tap it on to open it. So if you have already an account, you can go for the login. If you don't have, just tap on the create account. So you are new to here, you can create an account directly through the app by tapping on the create account. And here you have to type your email and password to create an account. Just type the email here and go for the password and just go and create account. Tap on the create account. Once you have write your Gmail password, just tap on the create your account. So here you can see that invalid username. Just go for the create account here. So you have to type the username that is not invalid. So after tapping on the create account here, you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account. So here you can also go and purchase the premium on your Crunchyroll, and you have to just go and have it here. And here you can see that you can go for the premium here if you want to purchase the premium. So here you can see your plan of your Crunchyroll here. Just go for the star subscription, and you have to add your payment method through your debit or credit card. And once you are here on your Crunchyroll, on the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your account and you can see your profile. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create an account on your Crunchyroll. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.